In this video, we're diving into CodeDesign AI, the no-code platform that turns simple text prompts into fully functional websites and landing pages. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you learn and leverage AI. Now, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by web development or thought that creating a professional website requires a degree in programming, then this guide will show you how CodeDesign makes the process fast, easy, and accessible. Now, have you ever dreamed of launching a website in minutes simply by describing your business idea? Or wished you could export clean code from an AI-generated design and customize it further? Let's explore how CodeDesign AI can turn that dream into reality. What is CodeDesign AI? CodeDesign AI is an AI-powered website builder that lets anyone create, host, and export websites without coding skills. It combines natural language processing, templating, drag-and-drop design, and code generation to help you build pages tailored to your needs. Now, unlike traditional website builders that rely on drag-and-drop components alone, CodeDesign starts with a prompt. You describe the website that you want, and then the AI generates a layout, design elements, and placeholder content. You can then refine it with visual editing tools, customize sections, and export the code if needed. Step by step, building a website with CodeDesign AI. Step 1, create your account. After registration, you'll land in the dashboard where you can start a new project. So if you click the link down below in the description, it'll bring you to this page right here. And let's come here, let's create me a I design Notion templates and sell them on my website. The templates are for health and fitness, productivity, habit tracking, and the like. Create me a... All right, and with a super simple prompt like that, go ahead and just copy that. We'll go ahead and click on Generate Website Now, and let's go ahead, we'll sign up real quick, and we'll go ahead and continue with Google. Select my account, select Continue, and I'll put, just for fun and looking around, go ahead and select Continue. Let's do the AI Website Builder. We'll go Business Website, and I'm gonna go ahead and paste that same, I want it to, let's go ahead and edit this a little bit. So we'll go, I want it to be and let's go ahead and click continue. And it's gonna go ahead and analyze our prompt. So like you saw right there in step 2, you just need to describe your project. So just click the new project and choose whether you want a website or a funnel for like a sales funnel or lead capture, etc. Then just enter a brief description of your site. So for example, another one could be a modern portfolio website for a landscape photographer based in California, showcasing a gallery, services, pricing, and a contact form. You can specify additional details such as your business name, industry, target audience, preferred language, and color scheme. The more information you provide, the better the AI's output. All right, so here we go. It went ahead and, selected our LLM model. We'll do the basic because that's what's available on the free plan. And then I'll go ahead and click on create your custom site. It went ahead and gave us a business name, a category, location, and a language. And then it's gonna go ahead and generate. So step 3, choose a template or generate from scratch. So CodeDesign offers 2 approaches. The AI generation. This is where the AI uses your description to craft a unique layout. It suggests sections like hero banners, about, services, portfolio galleries, testimonials, and contact forms. Then there's the template selection. You can start from a pre-designed template that matches your industry. Templates cover niches such as creative portfolios, SaaS landing pages, online stores, personal blogs, and appointment bookings. After selecting, you can customize the template with your content. Choose the option that best suits your comfort level. New users often prefer the AI generation for inspiration, and then you can refine the result. Step 4, review and customize the layout. Once the initial site appears, enter the drag and drop editor. Here's what you can do. Modify sections. Click on any section to edit text, images, and backgrounds. Use the side panel to change fonts, colors, and spacing. Add or remove elements. You can insert new blocks like buttons, image galleries, or pricing tables. Remove any sections that you don't need. Adjust responsiveness. You can switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Fine-tune the layout for each device to ensure a consistent look. Use smart components. If you edit a component that appears on multiple pages, you can make changes that apply everywhere. This linked component system saves time and it maintains your consistency. All right, so it looks like it went ahead and gave us our first, draft here. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. So templates that simplify your complicated life, unlock your potential with our minimalist Notion templates. Streamline your life, boost productivity, and achieve your goals with ease. Start simplifying today. So we've got some different menus up here. We can choose from some different theme colors. Kind of like this one, honestly. And if we go ahead and scroll down, and as you can see, it has some content here, like discover the power of minimalist Notion templates designed to streamline your life. But then also like here, talking about lorem ipsum, right? kind of like some just placeholder text and stuff. So it's even got some placeholders for reviews and stuff like that. If we come down, we've got some different plans. It even put in a little Notion page right there, which is kind of cool. This stuff obviously doesn't make sense. We just go in there and fix that. But again, it's not going to be perfect right out of the gate, but as far as, a first draft, this is pretty incredible. And up here, we can go ahead and change, different aspect ratios, if we want to look at like mobile or like a tablet or something like that, or the traditional desktop view. Step 5, generate or customize copy. In the editor, select a text block and open the AI Magic copywriting tool. Provide context such as describe the benefits of this photography service or this Notion template. And then you can choose a tone like professional, friendly, or inspiring. The AI generates text which you can accept or edit. For multilingual sites, you can generate content in other languages as well. Now, if you prefer to write your own copy, you can disable AI generation and input your own text directly. Now, for SEO, just fill out meta titles and descriptions in the page settings. Step 6, manage images and media. So replace placeholder images with your own photos by uploading files. Use CodeDesign's built-in image search or generation to find relevant visuals. Crop, resize, and adjust brightness and contrast within the editor. If you plan to showcase a portfolio, make sure to explore gallery components and customize grid sizes and light boxes. Step 7, add forms and databases. Most websites need forms for contact, lead capture, or bookings. You can drag a form element into your page. Choose what fields to include, like name, email, message, etc. If you need to store submissions, create a database table in the database section. You can link your form to that table, enabling you to collect and manage entries. Make sure to set up notifications to receive email alerts when someone submits a form. For automation, connect a webhook to pass data to a CRM or email marketing tool. Step 8, preview and test. Use the preview mode to see how your site looks on various devices. Test buttons, forms, and navigation. Ensure that images load correctly and that text is readable. Ask friends or colleagues for feedback to catch usability issues that you might have overlooked. Step 9, optimize for SEO. Before publishing, go to the SEO settings. Add meta titles and descriptions. So describe each page with relevant keywords and compelling summaries. Alt text. Write descriptive alt text for images to improve accessibility in SEO. Clean URLs. Use descriptive URLs like /services, /photography instead of /page1. Schema markup. Now this is optional, but advanced users can add structured data. For example, local business, product, etc. to help search engines understand your content. CodeDesign's built-in suggestions guide you through these steps. Achieving a green SEO indicator helps your site stand a better chance on ranking on search engines. Step 10, publish and connect a domain. Once satisfied, click publish. If you're on the free plan, your site will be hosted on a subdomain like yourname.codedesign.ai. To use a custom domain, follow these steps. Purchase or connect your domain through a registrar like Namecheap. In your CodeDesign dashboard, go to domain settings and add your custom domain. Update your domain's DNS records as instructed, usually by adding an A record and a C name. Wait for propagation. This may take a few hours. CodeDesign automatically provisions an SSL certificate to secure your site. Step 11, export code, optional. Now, if you intend to host your site elsewhere, then you can select export code, which is available on standard and growth plans. Download a zip containing the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and assets. You can then deploy your site on a different hosting platform or integrate it into a larger project. So here we are, we've got our first draft here, and we can click on this edit website here and able to go ahead and go in and make any changes that we'd like. So now you can see that if we hover over any of these sections, we can go ahead and make changes. For example, maybe we want to come in here and change this headline and maybe say something like templates, or we'll come up here, we click edit, and we'll go templates to change your life for the better, or whatever you want. But that's how easy it is to go in there and make any changes. Or maybe you wanted this to go up above that, you click on this little arrow and that'll go up, but you wouldn't actually want to do that. Just kind of showing you some of the features here. It's super user-friendly and super easy to get started. Best practices for building with CodeDesign AI. Start with a clear vision. Write down your site's goals, target audience, and key sections. This helps when describing the project to the AI. Use templates wisely. Combine AI generation with templates. If the AI's output doesn't meet your expectations, then find a template that resonates and build from there. Customize thoroughly. Change default images, adjust colors to match your brand, and rewrite generated copy. A personalized touch makes a huge difference. Test responsiveness. Make sure to preview on multiple devices to ensure that no elements overlap or break. Optimize for speed. Compress images, limit animations, and avoid clutter to keep your site loading quickly. User experience is a key ranking factor. Iterate. Your first version doesn't need to be perfect. Publish, gather feedback, and refine. CodeDesign's version control makes it easy to make changes and revert if needed. Now, who should use CodeDesign AI? CodeDesign suits entrepreneurs and small businesses. You can launch websites quickly without hiring developers, freelancers, and creatives, so you can showcase portfolios and services with minimal fuss. Agencies. You can build client sites efficiently and export code for custom hosting. Students and hobbyists. Experiment with web design and learn basic principles without coding. Developers. Use AI as a starting point, then export and extend with custom code. So building a website no longer requires specialized coding skills or hours of design work. CodeDesign AI offers a powerful and user-friendly solution to create, customize, host, and export websites quickly. So whether you're launching a personal blog, portfolio, landing page, or simple business site, the platform's AI generation and visual editor make the process accessible and efficient. With CodeDesign AI, you control the final product without the complexity of code, unlocking new possibilities for your digital products. Now, if you want to get started with CodeDesign AI, we've got a link for you down in the description. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. Supporting the channel this way really helps us to create practical, beginner-friendly content to help you learn and leverage AI. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Here on the AI Academy, we make videos that break down artificial intelligence tools, workflows, and strategies to help you stay ahead of the curve, whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just curious about what AI can do. Other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next one.